Have you ever looked into a dog's eyes and wondered, are you the one for me? What if I told you that choosing the wrong dog could turn your dream of having a furry best friend into a complete nightmare? Imagine coming home to destroyed furniture, nonstop barking that makes your neighbors hate you. Or worse, having to give up a dog you've already fallen in love with because they just don't fit your life. But wait, what if there was a way to know exactly which dog breed would be perfect for you before you even meet them? Like a magical crystal ball that could see into your future with your perfect pup? Here's the thing, every dog breed is like a different personality type. Think of it like this: you wouldn't wear snow boots to the beach, right? Similarly, getting a high energy border collie when you live in a tiny apartment and prefer Netflix over hiking is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. Did you know that there are over 340 recognized dog breeds in the world? That's like having 340 different types of best friends to choose from. But here's where it gets crazy. Each breed was originally created for a specific job. Huskies were built to run for miles in freezing snow. Chihuahuas were bred to be tiny alert systems. And bulldogs, they were actually designed to fight bulls. Can you imagine? Now imagine if you could answer just a few simple questions, like choosing your favorite ice cream flavor, and boom, you'd instantly know which dog would make you happiest. Questions like, do you want a dog that's quiet like a library mouse or one that announces every leaf that falls? Do you have energy to throw a ball 100 times a day, or do you prefer a furry couch potato who matches your chill vibe? Here's where the science gets really cool. Every dog breed has something called breed traits. It's basically like their personality DNA. Some dogs shed enough fur to knit a sweater every week, while others barely lose a hair. Some dogs learn tricks faster than you can say, sit, while others, well, let's just say they're special in their own way. The Dog Breed Selector on HTMLCalculator is like having a dog expert, a psychologist, and your best friend all rolled into one. It asks you about your life, your home size, your activity level, whether you have kids or other pets, and even if you're allergic to dogs. Then, using data from hundreds of dog breeds, it matches you with breeds that would actually thrive in your specific situation. Think about it. This tool could save you from years of frustration, thousands of dollars in damage, and most importantly, it ensures that both you and your future dog will be living your best lives together. Because when you find the right match, it's not just getting a pet, it's finding a family member who gets you. The best part? You don't need to read 50 dog books or spend months researching. In less time than it takes to eat a sandwich, you could discover your perfect four-legged soulmate. So what are you waiting for? Your future best friend is just a quiz away. If this helped you understand how to find your perfect pup, smash that like button. Share this with anyone who's thinking about getting a dog. You might just save them from making a huge mistake. And don't forget to subscribe to the HTML Calculator channel for more life-changing tools and tips that make your daily decisions easier.